Hi, welcome back. Our room here. Today we continue our playthrough in Wuthering Wave version 3.3. Reverb from the end of the galaxies. So last time in Wuthering Wave, we start the saving Amiat mission. Technically, this is saving Amiat mission, not dealing with Aleph 1 mission, which means we're gonna deal with Aleph 1 later. I don't know if we're gonna do that this patch or maybe the next version or the next version. I don't know. But our main goal is saving Amiat for this one. And yes, during the whole thing, when we're gonna start the mission, we meet with Linai. And this is a few things I can talk about before. So yeah, the meeting with Linai, there are a few assumptions that I can make. One of them is that Linai gonna be somehow do something at one point. Technically, she's a normal student, so I don't think she needed on any shape or form unless when we do something, the Fraxidos attack the academy or something, and then it require manpower, and then Linai will be one of those volunteer. We will see. And then we meet a Blackshore member who setting up the teleportation, the passage to a dimmer plane. Which is interesting. I thought we were gonna see a playable Blackshore, but I guess not. But yeah, also we seen Mornia, obviously. That's the reason why we had to hear. Because we got called by Mornia that the thing is ready, the preparation is ready. So when we talk about this, Mornie currently still preparing the replica thing, the drive replica, which means yes, the whole cockpit stuff. That's probably later on, because we're gonna do keystone to control Exos Rider for this mission. So that's foreshadowing for the next one with Mornie completing the drive replica, unless that what actually happening right now, I don't know. And then when we go reach the dimmer plane, Mornia said that Lucilla team went in first, and then yes, when we went to dimmer plane, we talked with Lucilla and also Hiyuki, after the cliffhanger during her own segue. We don't know what happened after that, but she's here now. And we talk about stuff, the whole thing, the plan, and then Hyuki will help us, which makes sense. She the banner character, so we're gonna spend time with her. I wonder when we're gonna talk about, because remember in Hyuki segue, the Grand Architect keep mentioning Rover, so I wonder if we're gonna have discussion about that with Hyuki. Not to mention the whole thing with Wish granting. Is this foreshadowing? I don't know, we'll see. But either way, that's where we left off. So, I forgot to mention Amiat. Yes, the Exoswarm Amiat come with us. Apparently, I don't know exactly why. I think they told the reason, but I don't remember. I think my guess is that we need the Exoswarm Amiat in order for the Ghost Amiat to become visible Amiat. What am I saying? Basically, again, I think the plan is to put the Ghost Digital Amiat inside Exoswarm Amiat. Not to mention the Exoswarm Amiat also bring the cassette tape, which is the memory of Amiat. So put all the three combined, and then boom, Amiat come back. I said something about cassette tape, by the way, last time. I thought for sure that we were gonna see the memory of that, but I guess not, and no need to, I guess. So my thing about cassette tape last time was that the whole thing, for the last 10 years, they doesn't know what happened to Amiat, right? Lucilla didn't, when we first meeting Lucilla in the classroom, talking about Amiat, I don't think Lucilla ever say anything about what happened to Amiat, like, because if the cassette tape exists, then for sure Lucilla knew what happened to Amiet, something to do with Exodus Rider. Again, unless I'm mistaken, because I said something like this before when I saw the YouTube video about that Amiet missing scene. I talk about, wait a minute, is the cassette tape gonna recording, and that's something, I don't remember the exact wording that I used, but something like that, along the line, like call memory. But yeah, so we're gonna do that with Amiet's Exo Swarm, and she come with us until we meet. I mean, that's the point. So that's a bit of a recap. Now let's go in. As I said in the last video, Dolby Atmos, remember? So this video, at this point, at this time, that video is not yet uploaded, so I cannot check using my old phone, which means I don't know if something changed or not. But either way, as I said before, I will edit. I mean, I will controller on. I will just follow what my plan is. Maybe you were well, at this point this video will be released after, so I just did the end game attempt. I think I will upload that before this video, so the location, as you can see, the same day. My character still in this location, simply because, well, I'm here. Anniversary reward. Oh, this is the web event. I keep getting zoned. Anyway, yes, so this time let's remove the tune of Dolby Atmos, but with the same setting with the other volume. I need to increase my volume. Anyway, so let's just start. Well, I forgot to do, yes, the derby. So let's see who's win. Who's win? If I remember, I support Jinxie. Okay. Number 2. So still one more match. Let's support next match. But let's do this first, yes. So, let's see, I can support the next phase right now. For this kind of thing, I will pick one with the highest point. Rolova, please win. I said before, right? The one who will be win between Changli and Jinxie. And then both of them rank first and second. Based on their skill, I mean. But this I will pick you simply because you have the highest one. Again, I only care for Kartetia, so only 25% ratio, I think. Yeah, I will do the maximum one every single time Kartetia out. So yes, good luck, Prolova. You have one eye, so you have weakness, but hopefully you pull through. Yes. So let's begin. Starlight from yesterday, head to the Keystone. Stem description. Let's teleport. Okay, this is the one. Let's see if I start from the beginning or after the talk with Lucilla and Hiyuki. They said we're gonna continue, not restart, so hopefully unlike the segue, I will where am I? Complete light builder challenge. That's not. I'm way ahead from the actual.
リズムに乗って。
So we start from. Never mind. I'm in the future. I mean, not in the future. Where we land anyway? I don't remember where the location of the thing. Is that the location? I don't. It's not reload. It's too far away or something. Never mind. I cannot enter. Wait.
リズムに乗って。
Are we? My question is, are we supposed to go to instant? We're not. We do this. So where's the location then? Oh, over here. Aha! I'm mistaken. Okay, so it was over here. Yes, this is where we start. So let's continue. Hello, hello. Strider Gate.
信号が切れた。やけに静かだな。これは太陽の精霊か。
チョロロチョロロ。
もしかして日脈の原木へ案内してくれるのか。
Are you sure about that?
一緒
Guiding
に行こ
me?
うか、精霊たち。
I feel like they just their life cycle. I don't think they have to do with me, but sure. Anyway, Solid Skin in Japanese called Taiyo no Sere, so sun spirit. But Keystone is an area. Where is the Keystone? I thought the Keystone is the thing we saw in the live stream.
精霊たちが根に溶け込んでいった。
What?
精霊は太陽の巨木を通ってエクソストライダーに帰るんじゃなくて、自分の身でストライダーアンカーの封印を保管してるのか。
I see. So that's what actually happening, huh? How did Royan never know about this? They've been doing this for a long time, but they never realized that the whole Solid Skin thing is not what they seem to be. Okay, anyway, that's funny. So Royan never set foot in this area or something, I guess so. Okay, this lighting. What is it the keystone? I don't think that's the keystone. I thought the keystone is the area where, you know, the only thing in the middle of the something like watery area, and then there's something, a monument in front. Yes, this is the one. Yes, this is keystone, right? Yes, see, watery area. It's not, well, it's not really watery. I guess it's digital water. I don't know what is this. What? Okay. Where are we? Are we just teleport? Oh, I see. Oh, interesting. So we just in front. Okay, here's the thing. The thing in front of the tree, is that Strider Gate? The whole black thing, but I guess not. That's just teleporting us here. Then I don't know. I don't understand. I'm gonna check again if we leave where we end up with. What I find interesting is how did the Exos Rider make an encore? Like, are they planned to open? So yeah, this thing. This is how we enter the keystone. For some reason. So we not the. So yeah, that thing is Strider Gate. So this thing. This, wait, let me change color from this side. Never mind, it's just the lighting. So this thing is teleporter or something? What is this even? Oh, this thing teleport us somewhere else. Maybe, I don't know. Interesting. So yeah, the when the Exos Rider arrive, Exos Rider just put the keystone, just in case in the future someone gonna open it for some reason. Maybe that's how access the space. Like, so where are we? And what is that? I don't think that Helios, unless are we? So we located the same. I haven't unlocked the map, so I don't know. This is the same location as the beginning, so I think this is different instant. This is not the same. So yeah, where are we? And what is that thing? I realized something. I need to check. Technically, this location, no dimmer plane, is below Laharoy, which means that there's no sun there. So how dimmer plane got light? I will see when I explore. Anyway, where? Yes, this watery thing. Yes, look at this watery area. So you are the keystone, huh? Can I go behind you? Yes, you sat in the middle. Interesting. Oh, I need to go to the front. Yeah, that thing. What is that? Where did that light come from? Where are we? Are we inside something? Activate the keystone. Cutscene. Hello? Can you talk? Or maybe not. I guess I'm controlling you somehow. I forgot to check the video. Yes. I said that I'm gonna check because I remember Exos Rider technically moved last in season, in Act 3, but no one mentioned.
これを引き抜いたらラハエロイが滅んでしまう。こっちなら。
Okay. Wait, how do you teleport? Okay, never mind. Who care? It's cool, but so many questions. Like, how we teleport there? Are we walking? How do you? Again, there's something that I questioned in the beginning, right? How do you move Exos Rider from the top of the Frostland to the dimmer plane? But somehow we end up
少し。
in the dimmer plane anyway. I don't know. That's weird. So yes, they didn't answer. How did they move? How did you move, Rover? How did you move the thing from Roya Frostland to below the ground, right? That confusing. They just skip that scene and then, well, ignore that part. Just assume that everything just went well when Exos Rider went into this keystone area, which I don't know where it's located. Again, when we reach near the tree, we just teleported into keystone area, so I don't know where the keystone area is. But that was fine, I guess. My question again, how did we move this giant thing inside the dimmer plane? Can you rematerialize or something? Anyway, ignore what I mean. Again, that's I don't know. I'm more of I mean, this is very scientific in a sense, but then that part is magical over there, where the teleport. Anyway, okay. Look at this, by the way. Exostrider. So Exostrider don't have, at least for now, don't have anything to say. So I thought it has mine, not to mention. Remember, Exostrider technically using the reactor, its own reactor core to supply the light for Lahairoi. Unless that scene is actually Amiat. So when Amiat controlling, basically Amiat controlling Exostrider. You know the scene where we, with the Shaper, where we saw Exostrider giving and putting the reactor core become the light of Lahairoi. It's supposed to be Amiat. I wonder. I assume, okay, the first thing first, I assume the Exostrider has something, has mind, because of that scene we saw. But if that is Amiat, then I guess Exostrider just a tool. Sentinel are the one with mind. Not to mention there are a lot of Exostrider technically when they come from the home planet, but everyone got destroyed by Aleph 1. I can use LB. Okay, I can dash. That is technically LB. So where am I? This is Starter Gate then. Where are you? Aleph 1, Giant Eyes. So the thing that we pick is the sword, but then at first we try to pick the seed as well, but then if I pick the seed, it will destroy the roof. Practically it will crumble, so Lahairoi will boom. That kind of foreshadows something, I think. What if something happened with that and then the whole Lahairoi area got buried by... Anyway, hopefully this will happen. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I need to use LB now. Wait, no, it's not LB. I need to use B. I see. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. What if? So if Amiat able to use the robotic thing, which I don't know where that come from currently in the gameplay, we haven't seen that. Oh no, we've seen that in the one of the fight in the final Sigilum fight. But then again, we don't know where that come from. I wonder if the rover, whatever element we got, will have Exostrider. But I don't think so. But you know, one can hope.
レイネスが言ってたな。明式のブラックホールの奥深くにあるボイドスペースは万華鏡のような高次元空間だと。
I see.
ここの時空は確かに連続性がなく混乱している。ゲートの向こうがアレフ1の内部なのか。
What the Aleph 1 that strong? This Trinodian. What if I fail? I win anyway. You cannot fail. Ooh, what the? What is that? What's this? Is this?
あの人たちはコレクティブと同一族の衣装を着ている。
Are we in?
手を挙げて何かしてるようだがよく見えない。
I think I know what is this. This is Interstellar. The fourth dimension. No wonder there's a kaleidoscope because Interstellar again.
あの周波数はエイメスか。
How do you know for sure? So I remember we have something from Yuki, the bird. That's probably the way how we tell Amiat where Amiat is. Okay, I cannot move. Cutscene. That? Don't tell me that.
エイブス
Maybe that actually. I left one. Okay, we went inside with Amiat Hex Swarm. Interesting. Like how this keystone work, I don't know. Are we even inside the Exos Rider or are we in the keystone? Or both? Hey, that's Denia. Wait, don't tell me. Wait, so Denia is the one. Remember at the beginning when we enter, we're technically inside. So, okay, there's so many questions here. Where? Yeah, what's going on with that scene? So I remember at the beginning when we enter Laheroy. Is that Denia then? The one who, the hand, the multiple hand thing? Okay, do you just enter? Did Amiat just enter the Exos of Amiat? Because that's what I think. The cassette tape. Okay, so what are you doing?
原点の光は私たちが支える。
The light of the origin point? What do you mean? So many questions. Wait, is that the actual Amiat? Okay, I think I know what's going on. I mistaken a few things here. The whole cassette tape is empty before the Amiat put her memory inside the cassette tape. I think that's what happened, right? So the cassette tape now have something of Amiat memory in it, and somehow we hear. Is this a dream? And so the Exoswarm Amiat somehow end up with Amiat now.
学園の中
Is this a dream? Where are we?
大丈夫か？我も気持ち悪くなってきたぞ。ゲートを抜けて名式の腹の中に着いたのに何かに押し出されたんだ。空間と次元の変化が早すぎて吐き気が。
Are we in different timeline? I don't think this is the present Stardust Academy. I need a pan out area. We only looking at ourselves. Can you zoom out?
エクソストライダーがいない
What do you mean? I don't even know how and where Exos Rider anyway. How they end up in the Dimmer Plane from Frostland, and now you're asking the Exos Rider isn't here? The first thing you should ask is why are we here and where are we? When are we?
あのでっかいやつならまだ名式の腹の中に残ってるはずだ。
Okay, is this the plan for Amiat? Now that Exos Rider inside Thenodian, Amiat able to control the Exos Rider. I think that's what's gonna happen.
さっきコックピットの中に変な黒い手が出てきたと思ったら、あの混乱した空間が急に活発になって我たちを拒んできたんだ。
Yeah, the hand again. When we first start a Laheroy story in 3.0, that we being held by a hand thing. Now I think that's Denia then, for some reason.
そのままボイドマターに押し出されて ここに着いたぞ。
Yaho. Where even are we?
さっき脳裏に浮かんだ映像の中にニボラがいた。フラクトシティスの連中が何か仕
Yeah, I
掛けてる
forgot
に
to
違いない
mention that. Why we saw Nivora there holding hand, giving us something. I don't think that's. I don't think that's. I don't think she's there. That's just some memory of something. I feel like that's the Seguhe. Remember the Hiyuki one? I feel like that's what the same movement that Nivora do back then. I think the whole hand thing, but
視点の主は当時この場所にいたはずだ。ここから見た空がボイドストームに侵食され始めている。
everyone was standing right here. What do you mean? So yeah, where are we? I mean, when are we? Is this not
そ
real?
してゲートの向こうではアレフ1が俺とエクソストライダーを見ていた。
Okay. And Alef1 was watching me and Shredder beyond the gate. I don't understand this part. Everyone was standing right here. What do you mean by that? Is this the future? Like, you know, what if? Remember that what we said, and also Amiya said that in the side the void matter, time and space doesn't matter, which means, like it said, it means basically the future.
先輩、やっと先輩の信号が表示されました。
Morning, can you tell me, are we actually in the Stardust Academy? Where am I?
丸一日連絡が取れず、心配していたのです。
Okay.
丸一日。俺にとってはついさっきのことだ。モーニエ教授、俺は無事だが想定外のことが起きてエクソストライダーはゲートの向こうのボイドスペースに残された。なぜバリアに守られているスタート落ち学園でさえボイドストームが起こっているのか。一体何が起きたのか教えてくれ。
So apparently this is the actual academy. What? So when they said that the void matter is making move, they actually do what? Okay, this is something that I wish they told us clearly, like before we enter this mission. Before maybe, you know, something happened. Like, oh, look at this, like the scenery. Something happened out on the in the Hyrule. Oh, what's happening? And then it will, you know, the feel of urgency much more like not much more something, I don't know what exactly. Basically the feel the when I watch, not when I watch, when I talk with Luke in the beginning and also with Chase in that scene before we do the mission, I assume we have more leeway because we look at the academy, the Star Touch. I don't mean the Hyrule in general. I don't feel the urgency there. I thought we have some more time or something, but apparently not. So this is the academy. Okay, a day later.
先輩がストライダーゲートに入った後、環境データは順調に研究員へ送信され、皆さん喜んでいました。ですが、その後すぐにボイドストームが発生したのです。発生源は学園内部にあると表示されました。しかし現場では発生を引き起こした発生源らしきものは見つかっていません。現在ラハイロイの多くの人はブラックショアの協力のもとコレクティブの脱出ポットに収容されています。
Okay, including the Royan who shutter around Lyroy.
残っている人たちは私と同じように研究員にいます。
Okay, interesting. So remember I said about Linai? Oh, maybe this is a hint, something gonna happen, blah blah blah. And here we are. So we're gonna see Linai here and maybe Chisa? We haven't seen Chisa? And Sigrika as well. What happened to Sigrika? there's something about Shigerika that I wish they do more. The whole thing with Nivora, and now with Denia as well. I wonder if we have some Shigerika dialogue, especially considering two of her friends, especially Denia. Technically, Denia is her friend, but I don't know if Nivora. So I don't know if Nivora always been Grand Architect from the beginning, like since when? I don't know. So again, Shigerika involvement with Denia maybe in second half of this patch.
あの視点の主が爆発の源だとしたら、リナシータの時と同じように対向車なのか。
Host I Aleph 1. Although that is Aleph 1. Which eyes?
あの瞬間、抜け殻の目から本物のエイメスらしき何かを感じた。
Because that's the real Amiat somehow end up in the body of the shell and giving us the thing which now have a hint. If you play the cassette tape, it's gonna told us something right now.
なぜ最後に全力を振り絞ってカセットを渡そうとしたんだ。何を伝えたかったんだろうか。
Play the footage, maybe. Can you do that? You have the cassette tape.
おそらくカセットを解析してみないとわからないだろうな。
I mean, yes, that's probably.
まずは合流しよう。ストライダーゲートの向こうから持ち帰ったものを見てもらいたい。とにかく急な事態だ。名式が予想より早く爆発した以上、次の対策を早く練らなければ。
So here's the thing. What I think is Ternodian. I mean, LF1. So LF1 is sealed, right? So every single thing, every single time, they're thinking of how to get out. That's basically what they only think. So I don't know how the Fraxidos come into play here, because I don't think the Trinodian and LF1, I mean the LF1 and Fraxidus knew each other, unless they did. Because if I remember, Grand Architect present in the beginning of the whole thing, which means when LF1 arrived, there's a chance that Grand Architect also there somehow. Anyway.
はい。それでは研究員でお待ちしています、先輩。
Okay, are we gonna see Linai? No?
このメッセージ量は多すぎないか。
Oh.
送信時間はどれも俺がストライダーゲートに入った後だ。
Well, that's
それだけ心配してくれたんだな。
It's been a day. So if this happened a week, I would understand the worried. But a day is like a weekend, for example. I don't feel like people care much about. Anyway, sure. So apparently, this is the real academy. A day later, by the way. Interesting. I have some more question about the dimmer plan, but that will be another question that will be answered once I unlock dimmer plan map. For now, let's read the webline, because that's what you don't need to worry about us. We're handling everything on this end. I know you come through just like you always do. I'm waiting for the good news. It's been a day, look. I don't think you should worry. I think I'm missing more than a day before, but sure. Shigerika Senior, Firmator concentration critical. We are moving to the Starter Collective Shelter now. There's someone helping my tribe evacuate, and right now there's someone. Who is that? Right now I'm filtering and archiving all historical record from the Solusium for separate storage. This is interesting. So the evacuate, right? Do the Shepherd also evacuate? Remember the Shepherd? I wanna check the Shepherd now. Do you guys leave the Shepherd alone inside the thing? We'll see. I wanna see. Cisa? Oh, you have a lot of text. Friend send a nudge. What is a nudge? Roper, where are you now? Well, I've been asking everyone, even the I was being fake about it, but I figured it out. You in Void. By the way, did they message me when Void Matter? Are you saying, are they worried about me or they want my help solving Void Matter? Now I wasn't sure. Because they messaged me when Void Matter happened. But I don't think they messaged me when on normal day. Which means, are they worrying about me or are they want my help because they saw Void Storm? Anyway, I don't know. Let's hope for the best. I've been waiting as one, and then okay, you're in Void Space. Are you just like when we first arrived in the academy? You made it out safely last time. I know you will make it out this time too. There's a Void Storm in the academy right now. I am the institute. Professor Moon is here too. I'm confident you will alright. I will spend a week. Interesting. Again, are they worried because they want my help or because of... Anyway. How do you have my number, Hyuki? I guess from Lucilla. But matter doesn't as passing the safety limit, the special quality is already Harayo is staying behind for you to the very end. When, what do you mean by behind? Are you currently in Dimmer Plane? Are you still in the underground sector exactly? Yeah, are you there? It's very difficult as the matter is classified. All tech people has grossing as challenging. Don't worry about me. Go join Lucilla and the other. Okay. You still not back yet when matter has just spiked. So again, I keep saying this. Are they worried because they want my help solving the Void Storm in the Laheroi, or they actually worried about me, considering they only call me when the Void Matter, when the Void Storm attack. I don't think I have gotten a message. I repeating myself. I mean, in the term of the lore perspective, they are worried about me, but you know, if you think about it, I don't think we meet with everyone every single day, so one day, I don't think you need to message me unless because of the Void Matter. That's why you're asking that. It's past the waiting time, but I know we'll be alright. Void Matter. Wait a minute. Estimate the waiting time. How long was we supposed to go rescuing Amiat again? Maybe a few hours? Again, something I keep saying this. How did the Exos Rider went from the Roya Floss line to Dimmer Plane? They should probably... I mean, the Academy maybe saw the giant mecha go downstairs. I don't know. I still didn't know how they teleport there. Because that's a big thing. Maybe because of that thing that causing the Void Worm. But they know are asking that. Anyway, I just approve to stay and ensure the damage will compensate. Okay, so you're back. Yes, we just talk. I see. Just back. Call about to get this too. Don't worry. So how did we teleport into the? Okay, I think I understand why we teleport here. So this is where Amiat disappeared, right? So what if because of that connection, the one who teleport us technically Amiat? I mean, I guess it was very obvious, but you know, that's just something that I just realized. Because we're here. Let's read again. We still have one more person, I think. Oh, Lucilla, yes. Yeah, Tadaima. About Exos Rider. Okay. So now Exos Rider with Amiat inside Void Space. But before we continue, I said something that I wanna check. Can we teleport to? How do you? I want to check Briarwood. I wanna see. Are they actually evacuating? Which means there should be no one here. Yep, no one here. I'm gonna check every location just in case. Whoa, I can see the thing clearly now. This is basically without light, right? This is still shining. Shepard, are you here? Don't tell me they left you alone inside Solaceum. I wanna rescue you. Oh, I cannot inside. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm assuming the Shepard left Solaceum, even though technically he said that he cannot leave, but I guess this is the emergency. Let's check one more location before we continue. There are a lot of people back then last time in Atuja camp, so let's go check Atuja camp. Is anyone here? Should be no one. I mean, removing NPC is easy because each NPC has something. They just turn that invisible in the code, so I guess everyone gone. Yes.
行こ
Oh, okay. So interestingly, I am using Rover. I just realized. Rover, what happened with your outfit? I mean, with your student uniform. One more location I wanna check. I cannot. There's no teleport point here. I don't remember. I thought we have teleport point here. I guess not. Okay. I assume no one left. So let's just go to. No. Can we teleport outside of Laheroy? I don't think we can. I cannot open this menu. There was supposed to be a menu here that I can open. So yeah, we cannot go to. I wanna check the Frostland just in case Essos Rider is still there, but I guess I'm locked in this map. So basically this is different instant. This is the instant specifically for the main quest where everyone is gone from the map. I wanna see the Shepherd because what the Shepherd said. Okay, we use the train, I guess.
風の導きのままに
The Shepherd, okay. Oh, I'm worried about the Shepherd. He's alone. Well, Sigrika mentioned something about Solaceum archive, so maybe it includes Shepherd. I don't know. Oh, code red. Oh, this is the location we saw in the before, but it's red now. Hello, Zebulun, Dina, Asher. Hello, guys. Are you evacuating? Is this safe? No, it's still far away. 200 meters. What? Where are we gonna go? Hello, Royan. Are you fine? Can we go to the Debar plant? No, we cannot. Okay, I guess we're gonna face Aleppo now. I thought we were gonna do this next patch. My guess was wrong. Wait a minute, meet up with everyone. Donate Atlas only for her to push back to the other side, and then there was the Void Matter arm, the Plotic. Who said the Plotican in the description? Okay. But a far more urgent reality loom before you. Laeroy is being consumed by Void Matter. It said meet up with everyone, but this one doesn't say. Is it return to Laeroy amid the Void Storm? Okay, so everyone is here. Minasan, I'm back. A day, like, come on, a day. I thought I'm missing a month or a week. Maybe that's better. In my opinion, the longer the better. Maybe we should... Wait a minute. This is where? Isn't this the area where Helios was built? I thought the location was not... Okay, I think I misremember the area. But yeah, maybe you should increase the time, like a week. Missing for a week. Not a day. A day I feel like too short, in my opinion. And the feeling of... Okay, I see. Hey! Yes! I was worried about you, Shepard. Yeah, so you here. Including the other Helios 6. Whew, the Shepard. I worried about you. I thought you were left behind. Okay, so you can leave the Solusium. I guess the reason you didn't because you want to protect something. I don't remember why. It's been a while.
校内のチャットで助けを求めてる人がいたの。もう一回学園の近くを探してくるね。
Okay, so I have a question again. It's been a day since we're missing, and Sigrika mentioned something about still helping people. So I think, which means the Exorciser thing, the Void Matter thing happened not a day ago, but maybe a few hours ago. Like, listen.
シグリカ、一人で大丈夫ですか?
Okay, there's a lot of wind apparently in this area. Maybe you can help the Shepherd. Use your eye thing. I don't know what you did, but I guess if you can.
私にはルーンがあるし、汚染されたエクソスウォームだって追い払えるよ。それに精霊が導いてくれるから。
Maybe you need help. I don't think alone. I don't know.
私も一緒に行くよ。
Yep.
もし見つけても
That's what
連
I
れて帰
thought.
るの大変でしょ。私がバイクに乗せてった方が早いし。
モーニエ教授、進捗はどうかしら。
打ち上げ軌道は確
Cisa
認済みです。
feel kinda out of place for some reason.
16時間後に疑似ドライブを打ち上げ、ダスクベールを展開します。
Oh, so yeah, they prepared it. Wait a minute. Where
まだ
are
残っ
they
ている
gonna
人は
put
その時
the
間までに
replica?
ラハーロイから撤退させなければならないわね。
Okay, I wanna say, what did you say again? The launch orbit has been confirmed. The reactor replica is projected to launch in 16 hours. Okay, so I thought the drive replica gonna be used to pilot the Exos Rider, but launch? Where the thing gonna launch? Inside the Void Matter? Is it orbit? What orbit? Oh, so many questions. What is even this drive replica about?
脱出ポットと合わせてロイ表現の港の船も撤退準備が進んでいるか確認してちょうだい。ダスクベールがどれくらい時間を稼げるかわからないもの。これ以上彼らをとどまらせないように。
So what is drive replica? I feel like maybe I mistaken something. Okay, everyone here except for Luke. Luke? My bro, where are you?
Exo Strider は
Who care about that, Rover? Shepard, are you a replacement for Luke? Shisha feel out of place for some reason.
状況は教授から聞いたわ。ストライダーゲートの向こうで丸一日連絡が途絶えた時、あなたが向こう側に迷ってしまった可能性を考えていたの。
A day? Come on, guys. It's been a day. Should be fine, right? Maybe because, again, I understand. Void space is a dangerous place. Even a few seconds there will, I remember something about sucking the frequency thing, right?
不完全な
But
状態
I'm
のエクソ
alien.
ストライダーを起動させる
Technically,
こと
I'm
自体
from
冒
space.
険よ。それは最初からここにいる全員が承知していたこと。
Okay, so okay, I see. So it's not complete regenerating then, which means there's still a chance that Exos Rider able to speak and think when it's fully regenerate, unless it's just a shell.
もちろん最善の結果を望んではいたけれど。
Oh yeah, I
失敗を
forgot
受け
about
入れる
Hyuki.
心構
Okay,
え
I
を
mean
していた
we know Hyuki was left behind. Where's Luke? I don't remember the Luke message in Waveline. Did that tell something about where Luke at? I don't know.
こうして生きているだけでもう十分よ。自分を責めている時間はないわ。手伝ってもらいたいことは山ほどあるもの。ね、漂白者くん。
What kind of work?
これを見てください。
Mountain of
先輩
work? What do you mean?
スペーストレック研究員は疑似ドライブの最終調整を行っています。ロイ一族の皆さんはモデルの構築と検証に協力してくれています。
So what we're gonna do with this now? Because Exos Rider is not. Are you gonna launch it inside the void worm? Okay, I got a mountain of work waiting for you. Yeah, what do you mean by that, Lucilla? What work?
墜落したドライブを骨子にエクソストライダー自身のパーツを血肉にしたこれはラハイロイにいる全員の心血が注がれた結晶。この人工の心臓こそラハイロイがソラリスに残す最後
What
の
is
プレ
this
ゼント
crew?
なのです。
The Shepherd is here makes sense. I feel like Chisa doesn't feel like any important for the story for the time being, and somehow she's standing there. Maybe Luke's supposed to be there or something. Where's Luke? What am I saying again? So again, I this is built of the framework of the Fallen Reactor Drive. So I don't think this is the same reactor drive then. They just made from scratch using the framework of the original reactor drive, which means, okay, for a second there, I thought the area, remember the boss area with reactor drive, maybe it's gone now, in a sense that they no more reactor drive in that boss area, like what it was supposed to look like before the event in Act 2. So I'm gonna check that area after we finish Act 5 just to see if this framework for a drive replica is the same. I mean, it's actually the same thing or just the blueprint the same. So the original reactor drive is still there. Anyway, why again? I keep saying this, but why Chisa? I know I said I want Chisa to be appear, but not something like this. I feel like she's just there because she there because she know us. I guess that's the only thing she's there because she know Rover. I guess Lina as well. I mean, and Sigrika as well. The only character that makes sense here, well, the only few characters that make sense here is Lucilla, the president of the Stardust Academy, again, where Chase, the leader of the institute, but Mornye also makes sense here. Again, this is the Special Collective, and then this thing is project technically led by her. And Shepard makes sense here. He is helping build this, the whole mechanical stuff, not mechanical, mathematical stuff, including the other Halo 66. But the only reason Linai and Chisa here was simply because they knew us. And Sigrika also. But then again, Sigrika kinda like the Royan. So
16時間後 疑似ドライブは
Oh,
ラハイロへ
what?
全域を覆うキャノピーに向けて発射されます。
Where? Canopy? Okay,
全
so
員の撤退完了後、キャノピーはボイドマターの蔓延を食い止めるダスクベールへ変わります。
wait. I you repurpose the thing because if I remember, this was originally used as the cockpit for people who want to, pilot Exos Rider. Okay, interesting.
先輩がゲートの向こうから送ってくれたデータがあったからこそ完成できました。
What did we give you guys? I don't think it's the cassette tape. Yes, speaking of the cassette, can you guys read something? Ahmed just send a video for us in the cassette tape. In the cassette. We need to watch that, I think.
そうよ。決してただの失敗ではないの。
The Shaper here. I feel like the Shaper is interesting. I mean, the Shaper there is kind of funny, but makes sense because he
ありがとう。
is also someone that I feel I need to know more because we only seen him in Act 2 and then we never heard continuation of what happened with the Solisium, which technically we still doesn't know because of this incident. So maybe after this something gonna happen, we don't know.
ストライダーゲートに潜ってからのことだが、みんなに見せたいものがあるんだ。
Yes, let's see what Ameat left us in the cassette. A hint, probably.
彼女が理由もなくカセットを渡すはずがない。抜け殻であれ、エイメス本人であれ、そうしたからには必ず伝えたい情報があるはずだ。
Yes, exactly.
面
That's what I
識の
said.
内部から持ち帰ったカセット。なかなか面白そうな代物ね。
Again, I said last time that maybe we're gonna combine the whole memory thing. So now with this thing now confirmed, I guess the cassette is empty or something. Before we went to the Ternodian, I mean the Southern Gate. So now Ahmed just fill it with something. Again,
モーニー
I said something. I remember
カ
the
セット
reason
保
I
管室
said
の
this
解析設備はまだ
simply
動くかし
because
ら。
of what I said in the last video when I said, "Oh, what about the cassette? Why we never do blah 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 about Ahmed Werabot?" That's my complaint at the beginning. But then I realized it's an empty cassette, or at least it's nothing valuable before inside. But now it has something.
すぐに行きましょう。
This group is interesting. Are we controlling character? Okay. Teleport. Interesting. Did Chisa ever say anything, by the way? I just realized that. She just standing there. Menacingly.
どうしてカセットが一斉に巻き戻されるんだろう。
They keep looking at Chisa, but she didn't say
保管室の中、
anything.
サーバーのモニターがいきなり点滅してるよ。
Okay, interesting. What's going on? Maybe it's need a lot more data. There's so many data that Ameat sent.
このカセットに記録されている内容は容量をはるかに超えています。
Yeah, exactly.
まるでかつて何千何万もの人々が一斉に記録を残したかのように。
This is called
ストレージ
quantum
システムの
memory.
混乱が情報が絶え間なくかつて回収されたカセットの中へと逆流しています。
I wonder why the Shaper here. It has mean something, right? The Shaper here with us.
ですが逆流しているのは記憶ではありません。
What is this?
破損して解読不能な文字を除いたカセットに圧縮されていた膨大なデータからして これは座標です。
with a coordinate, but somehow requiring a ton of data because of the junk.
座標？ゲートの向こうから送られてきた情報ってことは名式のブラックホール内の座標かな。先輩の話ではボイドスペースには時間と空間の概念がないそうですね。つまりそれでは座標系
Can
を
they give
確立す
any
ることは
line
でき
for
ません。
Chisa or something? Chisa, say something. Chisa, can Okay, I see. This is fourth dimension coordinate.
もしエイメスが俺たちに伝えようとした情報なら解読できるはずだ。
Chisa, you paint. Okay, the camera pointing at Chisa, but didn't say. What's wrong? If the coordinate in Lahairoi. Interesting. But why did set compressed masuk consists of coordinate? I don't think coordinate requires that much data unless 99.99% of that data is junk.
だとすれば、おそらく原点は
Oh, that's why
見せてい
you
ただけますか？
hear the Shepherd. I see. I like your eyes.
これらの座標は同じ形式で構成されています。私はサンダーミールを原点とし、まずはランダムに150件ほど抽出して検証しました。
Okay.
それらはすべてロイのルーンが刻まれた石壁の所在地です。
Ooh.
かつてあなたがソリサイルムで目にしたものと同じもの。
Okay, so the rune is important. Sigrika, your turn. Let's go. I mean, our turn with us, with me.
ロイのルーンはエクソストライダーによってもたらされた特殊な文様です。それらはボイドストームの影響を受けることも分解されることもありません。
Zero Spire.
私たちももともとはドライブがソーラーレンズに落とした影を通じてその意味の一部を読み取ることしかできませんでした。
So how do you? Maybe this whole data is
少し待ってください。
translator
座標とラハイロイの地図を照合します。そ
of
う
the
すれば
rune.
よりはっきりするでしょう。
Yeah.
完了しました。もしサンダーミールを原点とするのなら座標の分布はこのようになります。
Maybe not. The point is not the rune, but what the shape it's gonna make after you connect the dot. Or not? What are you seeing?
全部合ってる。ビアートルウーズのルーンも重なってるよ。
But
問
that's
題は他の座標の意味だ。
there are more coordinates.
こんな場所見覚えあるかも。前にボイドストームが起きた場所だ。
Okay, I mean a few days ago. I mean a few hours ago. Okay. Chisa, maybe you should say something. What your benefit? What your contribution in the dialogue, Chisa?
私たちが初めて会った時の
Oh, not a few days ago, but wait a minute. Where the voice from hit the start of all of you call it all of this. I thought it was all of this current event, not all of the beginning of the Lahairoi. How do you know it's the beginning? That's from player perspective, the beginning of all of this, the start of all of this. Technically, the fluid worm exists before that, and Linai also there as well before I arrived. So why do you say the start of all of this is when I arrived? Unless that's just the developer say, okay, this is the start, when we play Lahairoi storyline. Anyway, just how the I mean just why I care so much about the way they say things. My point is, they shouldn't. I don't know. Anyway, so I think I understand. The portal. That's the coordinate for the location of the portal when we reach Lahairoi from Honami City. Motorbike.
あの時はごめん。で、今は本題に戻ろう。
Okay, so
ボイドストーム。
データの転写順をたどっていけば、
uh-huh.
ボイドストームが通った場所にロイのルーンが残されている可能性は。
The Royan rune could be marking every spot. Wait a minute, the Royan rune, not the coordinate, but the Royan rune. Okay, it's the hint. Amiat saying, "Hey guys, that marking is made by me or something. It's marking every single void from origin point from the beginning up until somewhere we don't know. So with this, we can figure out the location of the current void worm. I mean void storm. Let's keep panning to Chisa, but she didn't say
なるほど。
anything.
ロイ一族にも似たような発見はありましたが、それが普遍的な現象だとは考えていませんでした。
Why I feel like this is such a big deal? The soundtrack, like this is the mind-blowing moment. But okay, sure, I guess.
だって、そのルーンって石壁にデカデカと書いてあるわけじゃないし、私を見つけてって光ってるわけでもないでしょ。
Well, in different language.
座標が多すぎますね。今の人手と自立ロボットだけでは。
大丈夫。私に任せてちょうだい。
脱出ポッドに入った人たちを呼び戻すつもりか。
その通りだ。
Hey, Chase, finally. I've been waiting. Where are you as a leader of this collective? Maybe you should be here.
ボイドストームが拡散している今、見つかるかわからないルーンを探すために人を送り出すのは危険すぎる。
That's why we will use the playable character.
未知への挑戦には危険がつきものだよ、漂白者君。名式の研究と同様に、フラクトシレスとの駆け引きも危険だ。そして、エクソストライダーを操縦して、ストライダーゲートの奥へ潜り込むのも、また危険を
What
伴
happened with your eyes, by the way? I haven't talked about that. But is it something to do with me
う。希
in the
望が
past?
残されている限り、コレクティブに
Wait, suddenly the
賭け
people
に出
here.
たいと願う人間がいくらでもいる。ましてや、
By the
ダ
way,
スクベールを起動した
I
ら、
I forgot to
永遠に
mention.
開くことのない棺となるのだ。
Have we have a glossary for Dust Veil? Because I don't remember. The name is, I guess, Dust Veil, basically a protective field. Dust, which is sunset, but
ボイドスペースの内部から送られてきた情報が我々にとって唯一の手がかりとなる。ダスクベールの効果が切れる前に、アレフ1に先
yeah, I
んじ
don't
て
think we
目
have
的を
ever a
達成するた
description
め
for
の
what
切り
Dust
札
Veil is. But I can guess from this basically a shield that protecting Space Trek Collective
コレクティブ
area.
ボイドスペース内部からの情報を集める能力、責任、そして動機がある。未知と向き合えば多くを失うだろう。だが、未知から逃げれば全てを失うことになる。
なら、ビアートルーズ周辺は俺に任せてくれ。
Okay, why not Sigrika? Okay, sure.
あそこは汚染が最も深刻よ。エクソストライダーの件を気にしているとしたら。
I say Sigrika because BR word, you know, the Royan. But I guess contaminated, so I guess me is the best option. Okay, why I didn't say that instead of clicking it? Sure. Chisa, are you have something to say by the way? Encouragement?
じゃあ先輩手を出して。
What? Are you gonna give me a rune or something? By the way, I forgot to mention, Sigrika, you're a friend, Dinia,
他のルーンの場所を見つけられる
and
よ。
also Nifora. They never told you, but they can Fraxidus now. Anyway, they never told Sigrika. I wonder if you're gonna ever saw Sigrika realize something about
あとこれも。
Dinia.
このルーンは先輩を守ってくれる
Okay,
よ。
speaking of protection,
今回の任務もきっと無事にやり遂げられるから。
remember that about the bird, the origami bird that was given by Hiyuki? I thought we're gonna have something to do with that. Maybe not yet, we will see. With Shiki magical rune, nothing bad will happen.
オペレーションを開始する。ダスクベールが閉じる前に収集を完了するのだ。
Okay, are you including us? I mean, Rinai, Sigrika. A rune of Seek. A rune Sigrika card for you. What is that? Rune of Seek in the inventory? I have something to talk about that scene. Wow. I have a lot of echo. Not yet. Have I not clicked this? Yes, this is the last two weapon that I pull. Key item. Oh, this thing. On equip, we can equip this. A rune Sigrika for you can feel the warmth of this power flowing gently to your palm. It can help you perceive the Royan rune fragments shattered through Laheroi and restore them to the original form. Who has it? By all means that use Royan rune is okay. But who was it? By all means, by what mean that used the Royan rune to etch this subtle message across the plane? I mean, Amiat. Who else? The Amiat used during the Her Academy Day inspired a sticker that was unmistakably her. She has left many traces to the heroes as she exists, but in the first story was to say. The coordinate. What is this? I don't remember this. Ame? Not Amiat, Ame. Anyway, yes, I have something to talk about. So I will stop here, which means confirm. So what I'm saying is Chisa was there. She's the only one who didn't say anything. So I say something, the Shaper here. I wonder what reason the Shaper here, and we know now he has reason to be there. But Chisa didn't contribute anything. No dialogue. No nothing. She's just there because... Is that because people complain Chisa didn't appear in the story? I feel like they're forcing Chisa to be there for the sake of... So, one thing that I feel the planning for her was the whole her forte, right? Able to cut space within Sonoros Sphere. I wonder how they're gonna be used. But now that we have Hiyuki, I don't know if we ever gonna need Chisa for that. But we will see. We'll see. We still have time, Chisa. Maybe you have something that you will do. What about your mother? I wanna see your mother. The whole thing with your mother as well.
今日お話しするのは正義の騎士が
This whole thing
邪悪
about
な目
Chisa could be my problem simply because again I haven't done world quest, any quest, exploration quest in Laheroi, which maybe it has connection with Chisa, especially her family, or maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, Chisa there very interesting. So let's look. You know, at the end, I know you come through. Okay. He didn't say anything about where she... So where's Luke then? Interesting. But yeah, that's all for this video. Until next time. Bye.